In Indiana, wrongful death occurs when a person dies through the wrongful actions of someone, the negligence, or a careless act that results in that person's death. And if you're a dependent of that person, typically it could be a children, spouse, maybe parents, you can be entitled to pain and suffering and lost wages from that deceased person. In Indiana, when you're injured, that claim belongs to that individual. And so in a situation where you have a loved one that's passed away, a special estate has to be opened up. And it's a special kind of estate in most cases. A personal representative is appointed, and that personal representative must bring legal action on the wrongful death claim within 2 years of the accident. And if they don't, that claim may be barred by the statute of limitations. So again, it's really important that you contact a personal injury attorney to review your case and advise you if there are any such deadlines. And so each case is unique. The recoveries are unique in each circumstance. But in general, you're going to get recovery for funeral expenses, medical bills, pain and suffering, potentially for counseling or psychiatric care that our family members may need, loss of companionship, and loss of earnings from that deceased loved one. A lot of times the delay is due to an attorney that's not properly managing the case. So again, it's really important that you have a competent personal injury attorney to review your case, to help manage it, and to move your case along. In Indiana, negligence means they say, do I owe a duty of care to another person? Did you fail in that duty? And by failing in that duty, did you cause injury? And a classic example is in an auto accident case. You have a duty of care to operate your vehicle in a safe and reasonable manner. And if you fail that duty by excessively speeding or driving while intoxicated, and the result of that causes injury to another person, you'd be considered negligent. At Webster & Greeno, you're going to get a team of attorneys and staff that are going to be with you from day one, that understand what you're going through. We're there to guide you through the process, answer any questions you have, go to task with the insurance company, take your case to trial if needed, and we'll do our best to get the maximum settlement for you and your family.